Hello, I've had a history of using drugs and alcohol, and I've been clean and sober for almost 5 months, but I was still experiencing a lot of brain fog and a lot of just not certain with my own thoughts, not being able to trust myself. So I decided to come and see Ken Starr and to do the NAD therapy. And I've been doing it for a few days now, and each day I'm seeing great progress, feeling a lot of clarity. It was recommended to me by a friend who did it, who experienced great results. And I can say from experience now that this has helped me in ways that I never even expected. What it looks like each day is you come in the beautiful Arroyo Grande, they check your vitals and they give you a little infusion, and throughout the day it'll be dripping. It could take anywhere from 4 to maybe 8 hours depending on how you take it. And you have this feeling inside of your body where, at least for me, I felt like a heaviness, but it just felt extremely healthy. I felt like I was getting out of a steam room or something of that sort. So after doing it for a few days now, I can tell it's definitely progressive as I'm feeling better each day. I have an increased curiosity likened to when I was 16 years old, and everything seems fresh, everything seems new, and I highly recommend this to anybody and everybody who's able to do it, as I'm feeling great, better than ever before. So I thank Dr. Starr and the whole staff here. It's been a great experience.